Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will walk you through how to set up herbs in water, and then I'll cover 8 beginner-friendly herbs you can grow this way. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Now here's how to grow herbs in water. Step 1. Choose the right herbs. Not all herbs thrive in water, but soft-stemmed herbs like mint, basil, and oregano do especially well. Woody herbs like rosemary or sage can work too, though they may take longer to sprout roots. Step 2. Pick a container. Glass jars, mason jars, or even recycled wine bottles can be perfect. Clear glass lets you see root growth, but if too much light hits the water, algae may grow. So consider wrapping the bottom in paper or foil. Step 3. Prepare your cuttings. Take a 4 to 6 inch cutting from a healthy herb plant. Snip just below a leaf node, the little bump where leaves grow. Remove any leaves from the bottom half of the stem so they don't rot in the water. Step 4. Add water. Use room temperature water that's chlorine-free. If you're using tap water, let it sit out overnight before using it. Fill the jar so the stem is submerged but the leaves stay dry. Step 5. Give them light. Place your jars on a bright windowsill with indirect sunlight. About 6 to 8 hours of light is ideal. If you don't have enough natural light, a small grow light can work wonders. Step 6. Maintain the setup. Change the water every 3 to 5 days to prevent stagnation and algae growth. If roots grow long and tangled, trim them slightly to keep the plant healthy. And of course, harvest leaves regularly. This encourages new growth. Finally, here are the best herbs to grow in water. Number 1. Mint. Mint is one of the easiest herbs to grow in water. It grows fast, smells amazing, and is super versatile, great for teas, cocktails, or adding freshness to food. Its stems root quickly in water, making it a foolproof first choice for beginners. Just make sure to trim it often or it'll grow wild. Beginner tips. Change the water every 3 to 4 days because mint tends to cloud it quickly. Place it in indirect light instead of full sun to keep leaves from wilting. Number 2. Basil. Basil loves warmth and light, making it a great candidate for sunny kitchens. It roots easily in water and can keep producing for weeks. Pro tip: harvest from the top to encourage bushier growth. And don't let it flower or the leaves may turn bitter. Beginner tips: pinch off flowers as soon as they appear. This keeps basil leaves sweet instead of bitter. Harvest from the top to encourage bushy growth. Number 3. Oregano. Oregano has a bold, earthy flavor that pairs perfectly with Italian and Mediterranean dishes. In water, it grows steadily, especially if given lots of sun. Clip stems regularly to prevent legginess, and you'll have a constant supply of aromatic leaves. Beginner tips: give it lots of sunlight, at least 6 hours daily. Trim stems regularly, otherwise they'll stretch out and get leggy. Number 4. Thyme. Thyme is hardy and resilient. Though it's a bit slower to root in water compared to mint or basil, once it's established, it thrives. Its tiny leaves pack a punch, making it perfect for soups, meats, and marinades. Beginner tips: start with multiple cuttings at once because not every stem will root. Once roots appear, trim lightly to encourage bushy growth. Number 5. Rosemary. Rosemary takes patience. Its woody stems take longer to root in water, but once they do, the plant is tough and long-lasting. It needs strong sunlight, so place it in your brightest spot. Use rosemary sprigs in roasted dishes, breads, or infused oils. Beginner tips. Strip the bottom half of the cuttings leaves before putting it in water. Use a clear jar so you can monitor slow root growth. Patience is key. Number 6. Sage. Sage is another woody-stemmed herb, but it can adapt to water if started from cuttings. Its soft, velvety leaves are packed with flavor. Make sure sage gets strong light and avoid over-harvesting at first while the roots establish. Beginner tips. Place cuttings in the sunniest spot you have. Only harvest once roots are strong or you'll weaken the plant. Number 7. Cilantro. Cilantro grows well in water, though it tends to be short-lived. Keep multiple cuttings going for a steady supply. Harvest leaves regularly before it bolts. Flowers, as that's when the flavor changes. Beginner tips. Keep it in cooler spots with indirect light to slow bolting. Plant new cuttings every few weeks for a steady supply. Number 8. Parsley. Parsley is a kitchen staple and grows decently in water, though a bit slower than mint or basil. With consistent light and clean water, you'll have fresh garnish whenever you need it. Flat-leaf parsley is often preferred for cooking, while curly parsley makes a great garnish. Beginner tips. Be patient. Roots take a while. Keep parsley in bright but indirect sunlight and harvest outer leaves first to keep it producing. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best beginner-friendly herbs you can grow in water. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!